just wanted to come over here and do an unboxing of my latest pickup for perfume. I'm super excited. Finally had a chance to get the Byredo Blanche. Super clean, fresh fragrance, great for the summer, even though it's almost over. It's August. I just wanted to show you the quality that they take with their packaging. Oh, well, this got a little bit damaged, but the packaging is great. The bag is like almost a very hard paper, almost like a cardboard, so it really retains its shape. I've had this bag for at least 3 months, and I love the handles. It's like a shoestring, black shoestring handle, and I've been carrying this around so much and using it for other things, and it just is not broken. So I love that. Crisp, clean. You got the logo on the front, and then also double exposed in the back. And then on to the fragrance that I purchased. This is Byredo Blanche again. It's an eau de parfum, and this is the 1.6 fluid ounces. I was traveling, so I didn't get the 3.4 because you never know who you're gonna get at TSA, and they may ask you to throw away your fragrance, and that would be a fight because this stuff is not cheap. So this is what I believe to be the front. It just has the name and the title. And then on the side it has the Byredo logo, and then it's covered in plastic wrap or shrink wrap to protect the integrity. And then there's also this fine embossed detailing, which I just love. I think it's so pretty. I'll definitely keep this box. Made in France, and then it has the ingredients, and the logo is exposed at the top again. I'm surrounded by a diamond, the classic B, and then this just got really destroyed at the bottom because again I've had it a long time. Nordstrom is right there. That's why I purchased it. And another really cool thing, I have some other products in here, but they give you samples. So if you purchase it in store, maybe online also, they give you samples of some other fragrances you want to try. Since I like fresh fragrances, they gave me Gypsy Water, which I know is a huge one. I haven't tried that yet, but I'll let you know what I think of it when I do. And then La Tulip, which I think is like a light fresh floral, and hopefully it smells like tulip. And then I just went to the Creed counter as well, and I got Creed Pure White. They said this would be a great one, but I don't like the fact that it doesn't have a spray nozzle. I think you really get the true integrity of a fragrance when there's a spray nozzle. And then these are just some other things I got from Sephora, fragrance samples. I was on a fragrance hunt that day. This is the receipt. Don't know how much it said. Oh, it cost, so for 1.6 fluid ounces, it's $165. And then with tax, I was in Seattle, so the tax was crazy. It was $181. And this was actually at the flagship store. So let me just open this for you all really quick. This is Taken playing in the background. It's gonna be really hard with one hand and like no nails. Hold on, let me set this up a little bit better. Yeah, so it's pretty difficult. Actually, I have my scissors right here, so I'm just gonna snip, snip, snip away. I'm not so crazy to where I wanna keep the shrink wrap on forever. Like, I don't get that into fragrances or anything for that matter. Because if you wanted to resell it, you might want to keep that on, but okay. So that's off. So now we have the box. Wow, it looks even prettier without it. And then I'll just have to, so this is actually a sticker, and I'll have to remove that. So just one moment, let me cut that off. Oh, actually, this is just a pull box. So you just pull it up, and there you have the logo again. There we go. Let me take some stills and I'll be right back. Okay, so the sticker on the side is actually perforated. I think that's how you say it. So it has like holes in it, so it makes it easier to open. So you can just kind of tear it apart. You don't really need scissors. And then inside lies the beautiful Byredo Blanche. Just love the simple packaging. And they're really tight, really secure. Come out, come out. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right, and then this is a little baby bottle again, 1.6 fluid ounces. Absolutely love the crisp, clean packaging. I think this is the true reason. I mean, the fragrances are great from Byredo as well, but I think the true reason that they do so well is that their packaging is just so Instagrammable. So let me spray it. Very fresh, almost like a laundry detergent, but not like so straightforward that it's laundry detergent. You would just think this is someone that just got out of the shower. And I'm really happy to see how it warms up on the skin. I'm going to spray it on the skin. I really like how the nozzle sprays. It's just really direct, really precise, and I feel like it distributes very easily. It's almost like a peppery note. The guy at the counter told me that this fragrance stays on the skin a really long time, and that was the selling point for me, because there's so many crisp fragrances out there, but a lot of them do not stay on the skin. So that's what I really love about this one. Well, and we'll see. Yeah, it smells really, 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 really good. Wow. I already know I'm going to buy another bottle, the larger bottle. Then it comes with, I think this is the fragrance card with the fragrance notes. And of course the packaging Byredo on the front, and then the Classic B logo on the back. Alright, so yeah, that's about it. Just really wanted to show you all, if you're interested in purchasing this, I would say go ahead. It's definitely a splurge item, but I don't know if there's anything else out there that you can get cheaper, you know? So for that reason, I think it's worth the money. There's no replicas that I can think of that last just as long, that smell just as good, and that are just so beautifully presented. When you spend money on a luxury item, you definitely want to feel like you're getting your money's worth, and I think you are with Byredo. Thanks so much.